Today, I want to show you how to create a LoRA in Freepik with AI-generated images in MidJourney. Let's go!
So first of all, we're going to create our character in MidJourney. So for that, let's just start with a simple description of who we want to see. So maybe it's in this case, I'm going to use B7 and I'm going to stay in a 3/4 so we have a little bit more of length. And another tip is to tell MidJourney if the character you're creating is using some type of shoes or anything like that, so it will actually show you the full length of the person you're trying to create. Okay, so actually B7 doesn't, well, we have 3 legs here, but it doesn't have character reference, but what I will do here is just grab the woman if I kind of like her style. In this case, I like this one, but we have 3 legs, so this one over here, I'm just gonna bury this one to see what MidJourney gives me. And another thing we can try is just go into the B6, so we can use the character reference, the 6.1, and just set her as a character reference. Let's use the same prompt and let's see if it gives us like a similar style of her. I'm just also going to add character weight 100, so she's really alike. Here we have another reference of her, another one. These ones are from the second shot we did, so this can actually work. So I'm just gonna bury it subtly. So she does have the red hair, and she does have the high heels in blue. So then I'm just gonna grab this one, and the one that worked from these over here. So we need to generate at least like 18 to 25 images from the character we want to create a LoRA from in Freepik. So what I like to do is just whenever I like my character in MidJourney, just create variations with character reference, and that will help me give Freepik enough materials to generate a LoRA. Another thing that they ask is that the lighting and the like places where the character is are buried, so we're just gonna do that now. We're gonna bury where she is at. So here we have some other images of her. As we can see, this one looks a bit more cinematic. This one is really nice too. I'm just gonna redo this prompt, and I'm also gonna add my mood board for film photography, which I really like, to add that extra feeling. And now she's gonna be at her office. That was what I asked for. She's wearing a black suit, so kudos, MidJourney. Oh wow, now she has a dress and 2 legs. This one's much better, and I like that the lighting is also different. This one can work as well. This one too. Let's just upscale subtle. Maybe it fixes her hands. And I'm gonna zoom out this one, and I'm also gonna bury it strong. Let's see what we got. So this is how I start creating a character, and if you can see, it's just, you just need like 1 or 2 good images to use as character reference, and then from there you can just like keep it going with variations, with upscales, with remixes, and then you will finally have your like 15 to 20 images. Probably the hand will still be funny, but we will see what happens. This one's really nice. I like the setting. It does feel like an office, but... And for some reason she has like blue globes. I mean, this one's kind of okay. I mean, I kind of like the globes. It gives her this like mystic look, so I think I will go for this one. Just gonna upscale it, creative. I'm gonna very subtle this one. I think we're like at 8 images now. So as I said, it's just about keep it going. And we can also just change her what she's wearing as well. Like, it doesn't have to be all the time the black suit, but I kind of like her outfit. It's pretty badass. So we have, oh, we do have 15, so we will download those. Let's download the ones you have created. So we're just gonna go now to Freepik. We're gonna go to create. Then we're gonna go to character over here and new character. So first of all, let's give her a name, which is Isabella with double L. She's a female. So we can upload a zip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upload. Okay, so we add it there, and you can select either high or ultra, which ultra will be slower, but I usually like to go with ultra, so let's just go ahead and create it. Okay, so now we have Isabella ready, and we know because we can actually see the picture here and it doesn't say training anymore. So let's try Isabella out. We will just type at Isabella, and we can just type a prompt of what we want her doing. A tip for when you want consistency on what she's wearing is always add either her hair color and what she's wearing and the blue high heels, for example. Or if you don't mind that she's wearing different clothes, you can just ignore that. We also have the strength. I usually leave it between 90% and 100. Let's start with 90% and I'll just type something out. So I will now generate my prompt. Here we have her. As you can see, she really looks alike. We have a lot of people look like her because that is a flaw that happens with LoRAs. Whenever you have more people, AI will just put the face of her in everyone. But here is a little bit less noticeable, and she does look really alike. Now let's make the same test, the same prompt, but I will tell on the prompt that she is wearing the black suit, and let's see if it actually respects that part. She is wearing the black suit. She does look like she's in New York, and we do have a lot of hazy lighting. So here it's like kind of noticeable that this one and this one kind of look like her, but we can always erase them. So you can see that her self becomes very consistent across like all of these prompts. Let's try one more prompt, like in a nighttime situation. So yeah, we have her here. Bravo, Freepik is actually super good. We do have her, like, I'm just gonna show you what to do when this happens, but overall it's very consistent. She has this really nice black suit here. As I asked, she's in a club, neon lights, so that is really well represented. And yeah, so overall it's really good job from Freepik. And let's edit one of these ones so you can see what to do with these other Isabellas that we have here. So let's go to edit image. We can always click erase and just select whoever we want to erase. Well, actually, I don't want to erase this guy. He seems fine. I just want to erase the girls that look like her over here. So that's one way. And then I'm going to show you another trick. So here we have it. Pretty much gone. I think I like this one best. So I'll just click save. And if I'm definitely comfortable with this one, I can just go hit upscale. And over here, I always like to use Sharpie and films and photography. So I'll just upscale this one. And from there, we can even animate it. Let's just go the whole way for this tutorial. If you're liking this tutorial, please subscribe or leave any comments with your doubts or suggestions, or yeah, whichever you have in mind. Well, thank you for being here as well. So let's see the upscale version. It's really nice. We have much more texture. Magnific is pretty magnificent, as you can see over here. And then go to video. I would like to select Google VO2, and Freepik automatically will give us a prompt that it says a confident woman in a sleek black blazer stands in a vibrant, dimly lit lounge filled with elegantly dressed people. The camera slowly zooms in on her, capturing the glimmer of her red lips. Well, I mean, it's pretty good. I think we can work with that prompt. So let's just click generate and see what we get. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool to see the whole workflow and just have our character finally moving. So I'll probably keep doing some 2 or 3 more video prompts to show you guys at the end of the video. So thank you for being here. Thank you for creating your character with me and for sticking around on this channel. Please like the video, subscribe, and share if you like this video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.